I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and creating a backup. This prevents data loss. Connect the synth or interface, power it on, and set MIDI mode to USB MIDI or DIN as required. Open the editor app and confirm firmware version matches the bank's format, then mount the device storage. Once done, locate your source, bank or 6 files and place them in a dedicated import folder. Make sure file names are short and ASCII only to avoid transfer errors. You now import and map the banks using the editor's import tool. Choose the analog bank template to preserve parameter grouping. Drag each patch into the target slot. Keep a consistent order for performance recall. Once done, set global parameters like master tuning, filter type, and velocity curve so all patches behave predictably. Make sure to preview each slot by sending notes or using the editor's preview. Then tweak gain and pan to avoid clipping during playback. Finish by saving the new analog bank to the device and exporting a local copy for redundancy. You should test presets from your MIDI controller, verifying CC assignments and mod wheel response. Play through common patches to ensure transitions are smooth. If presets fail to load or sound wrong, first recheck firmware compatibility and file naming conventions, then swap the USB cable or port. If problems persist, reload the backup, reboot the synth, and retry the import sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.